You ever have a flat tire or slow leak and you need to know how to fix it? I'll show you. This is a plug repair kit. You can pick this up at just about any auto parts store for about $10 to $15. Very simple. First of all, let me show you how to get started to find the leak. It's very simple. So this is just soap and water in a spray bottle. I've already located the nail in my son's tire, but really, if you watch, in this case, you can see the nail pretty easily. You won't always be able to see the nail, but you can certainly see these bubbles. All right, so let me show you how to thread this through. One side of this is like a needle. You got to put this through there. Takes a little effort, but these plugs are they're very tough. So just get it started, and then use a set of pliers to pull it through. And you just want it about halfway, something like that. The other part of the kit is a rasp. All that does is clean out the edges of the hole, make it a little bit smoother. So when we pull out the nail, clean it with this, and then insert your plug. Now, once you've done that, you got your plug inserted about that far. Twist the handle and then remove it. Spray to check for leaks. That looks pretty good. This is what was in the tire. Let's show you. So that's either the end of a nail or a staple. Now that you got the plug inserted, just check for proper inflation. This is about 25 pounds. These tires are all about 32 pounds, so I'll inflate it to 32 pounds and call it a day. 32 pounds.